I'm about to curse this motherfucker out. Damn, maybe I feel like I'm too loud. I'll curse him the fuck out. No answer. You better answer this shit. I'm gonna curse him the fuck out. Oh!
Message system 215954648.
You motherfucker! You should have called me back.
Satisfied with your message? Press 1.
Oh no!
To listen to your message, press 2. To erase and re-record, press 3. To continue recording where you left off, press
Oh, let's fuck that shit. That was my message. Oh my god. I was gonna curse him the fuck out. He's so lucky he didn't answer that shit.